the track.
You mostly flutter about blue bulbs, more certainly take and wager. Come have a flutter, stick your neck out and get your ass zapped on your venture. You leap in the dark and throw thoughts about taking lottery, hoping you're lucky winners. Let's have a gala at a carnival and let Gale out. See if you take any chance to any more dangers. I'm Typhoon, you're a type of fallout fool. The chance of you being a threat is when that isn't dangerous. You isn't that grave, you're that much of a race. Your girlfriend isn't safe and you got dirt on your fingers. Shoes fit, you're unsafe, ignorant, treacherous and obscene and far from cleaner. Nutcase who presents himself decent, serious. When will that day be seen? You're a heterosexual, fixated on his appearance. A metrosexual arsehole stuck in the same shithole, eating from buckets while eat from the same hole. D&D is bringing the twister. Nobody could try clone, but none got the thunder. Life is absolute cyclone.
Yes, retard.
Yeah, it's got girl force fast while D&D spinning tornado. Is D&D bringing the twister? Nobody could try clone, but none got the thunder. Life is absolute cyclone.
Look, retard.
Yeah, it's got girl force fast while D&D spinning tornado. I've grown an appetite not for willy willy, but to bring the willy willy. Don't get me who's thick, it isn't me, I'm still the twister. You dumb acid dopey jokes caught up in my hurricane, bursting in thunder and lightning striking with pain. Yo, my hot and cold rotation got tornado taking formation, and I've the power to levitate in the middle of this whirlwind. Now I begin to spin, picking up more wind, just to throw these words like I'm javelin. No hurry, just picking for the beat, I'm beating along a super cyclone with no eye showing, bringing tsunamis that have you drowning. For this, the bit of hatred I no longer tolerate, put up with, assimilate. It's like fuel to my hurricane that necessitated these lightning strikes, fail it insane. Yo, Britain's a circle and these lyrics my fucking tornado. So here we go, yo. D&D is bringing the twister. Nobody could try clone, but none got the thunder. Life is absolute cyclone.
Yes, retard.
Yeah, it's got girl force fast while D&D spinning tornado. Is D&D bringing the twister? Nobody could try clone, but none got the thunder. Life is absolute cyclone.
Look, retard.
Yeah, it's got girl force fast while D&D spinning tornado. Yeah, you hear that?